Hello, my name is David McCarty and I'm the Service Director here at Night Office Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to fix paper jams on mid-volume sharp, color, and black and white copiers. When you experience a jam, check the paper path on the display to identify the area in which the jam occurred. Then open the appropriate door. Remove any visible jams by engaging the green indicators at the site of the jam. If you are removing a jam from the fuser section, please note that the fuser can get extremely hot, so be careful when removing jams from this area. If necessary, power off the machine and wait a few minutes while the fuser cools down. Then safely remove the jam. When removing jams, take care not to use any sharp objects that could cause damage to the fuser. Grip the paper causing the jam and pull it out slowly in the direction of the paper path. When a jam is removed, make sure all guides are closed back into place and close the door. Improperly adjusted paper guides in the paper trays are one of the most common reasons for jamming and misfeeds. To check your guides, first pull out the corresponding paper tray and look to see if the paper is seated flush against the guides and the side of the tray. If it's not, adjust the guides using the green tabs. After you've adjusted the guides, close the tray. Once you've closed the tray, check the display to confirm that each tray displays the accurate paper size. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and that you'll come back whenever you have routine maintenance questions. If you have an issue that isn't covered in one of our videos, feel free to give us a call and one of Knight's experienced technicians will help get you back up and running in no time.